To perform the Smith machine bench press, situate your bench so that you're right in the middle of the bar, under the bench. Then, use your hands to rotate the bar forward to unrack your weight. Drive it down to your chest, squeezing your back behind you, and exhaling on the way up. Inhale as you come down, exhale on the way up, using your arms, your chest, and your core strong and stable. Move through the full range of motion and complete with good form through all repetitions. The Smith machine bench press is an excellent variation of the barbell bench press. This allows us to have a better range of motion with more stability, and if you don't have a spotter, it's a good way to stay safe while working on heavier weights. Let's get into it. The Smith machine bench press is an excellent way to train your bar path in the bench press. As Katie comes down, she's not able to bring it too far down or too far over her face because the Smith machine keeps her in a straight line. You'll also notice that as Katie's driving down through her chest, she's got a great range of motion, and she's squeezing her chest muscles hard to push the bar over her. The other cool feature about the Smith machine is that if she gets to a point where it's too difficult, like right here, she can re-rack it, and she's safe and good to go. Nice job, Katie.